I was sent this set of pool test strips and asked to give my opinion on them, make this short video. So let's check them out. You're going to get 125 test strips here. They come in a bottle. You get a bunch of them. So 125, it's going to last you a couple of years probably. These are 3-in-1, so you're going to get 3 tests out of them. Free chlorine, total alkalinity, and a pH. And that's really, whenever I'm doing my tests, that's all I'm really ever doing. So just the simplicity of this, I really like. And I'm probably going to do more testing as a result because I'm just, really quickly going to be able to see how's my chlorine, alkalinity, and pH. Now this pool, the behavior of it's pretty predictable for me. Right now I know the chlorine is zeroed out because I need to add some. It's been a couple days. I have not added it in the summer heat in the sun. I know my chlorine's probably 0. Total alkalinity in this pool, it's probably high. It's a constant, it's a gunite pool. It's constantly demanding acid. So I'm going to guess it's probably 180 in that darker section. And then the pH, again, it's probably pretty high. Similar situation. It's probably coming around 8, so we'll see at the high end here. So those are my expectations. Let's do a quick test and see how the test strips work. Now you're just going to dip this in the pool for a couple seconds and then pick it up flat. All right, and now we're going to compare to our guide here. And what you can see already is, yeah, we are zeroed out on chlorine. It's got a whole lot of nothing. Alkalinity, not as bad as I thought. We're actually in the range, so I put some acid in not too long back. Maybe that's holding. I'm looking at about 80 here according to the strip. And then same thing around the pH. It's not bad. It's about in the middle there, 7.6. So I'll double check this with a full-blown test kit, just get a feel for these. But overall, I really like the fact that it's just got a simple 3-unit test. You get 125 of these, which is going to last you a long time. And it's really easy to use. They're very clear. I like the waterproof container they give you with the color match. It's very easy to see and to pick which one is the right reading. So hey, I hope that was helpful. Learn a little bit more about this pool and spa water test strips. You get 125. Pretty good deal. Hope that helps. Have a great day.